Good morning students. In the previous class we discussed about electric field and charges, and also what is the electric field at a point P for straight infinitely uniformly charged conductor and uniformly plane sheet and also spherical shape. Okay. In this class, we are going to discuss some problems regarding to the electric charges and fields chapter. Okay. First problem is 3 point charges are placed at 3 point charges are placed at the following points on the x-axis. 2 microcoulomb at x is equal to 0, minus 3 microcoulomb at x is equal to 40 centimeter and minus 5 microcoulomb at x is equal to 120 centimeter. Calculate the forces are the minus 3 microcoulomb charge. 3 point charges are placed at the following points. Points are A, B, C. This is A and B and C. At point A, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 plus 2 microcoulomb charge is placed at x is equal to 0. From point A to point B, the distance is 40 centimeter. Minus 3 microcoulomb charge is placed. And at x is equal to 120 centimeter, from A, minus 5 microcoulomb charge is placed. Therefore, 3 point charges placed at the following, that is at point A at x is equal to 0, 2 microcoulomb charge is placed. At point B, x is equal to 40 centimeter, minus 3 microcoulomb charge is placed. At x is equal to 0, at point C, minus 5 microcoulomb charge is placed. Therefore, calculate the force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge. Calculate force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge due to plus 2 microcoulomb charge and also minus 5 microcoulomb charge. Okay, this is minus 3 and this is plus 2. The force between these two charges is attractive in nature. Similarly, minus 3 microcoulomb, minus 5 microcoulomb. Force between these two charges are repulsive in nature. Therefore, we have to calculate what is the net force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge due to plus 2 microcoulomb charge and minus 5 microcoulomb charge. Okay. 40 centimeter, x is equal to 0, minus 3 microcoulomb charge at x is equal to 0. Sorry, minus 2 microcoulomb plus 2 microcoulomb charge at x is equal to 0 plus 2 microcoulomb charge at x is equal to 0 minus 3 microcoulomb charge at x is equal to 40 centimeter, 40 centimeter nothing but 0.4 meter, 0.4 meter. Similarly, minus 5 microcoulomb charge at x is equal to 120 centimeter, nothing but 1.2 meter. Therefore, what is the distance between B to C? Distance between B to C is 1.2 minus 0.4, that is 0.8 meter. 0.8 meter. The minus 5 microcoulomb charge is at a distance of 0.8 meter from minus 3 microcoulomb charge. Okay, this is about the explanation to this problem. Okay, solution. Force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge due to plus 2 microcoulomb charge, that is F1 is equal to formula F is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 divided by R square over R 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. This is the general formula to calculate electrostatic force between 2 point charges. F1 is equal to force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge due to plus 2 microcoulomb charge is given by 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 is equal to plus 2 microcoulomb charge and Q2 is equal to minus 3. We take only magnitude. Therefore, Q2 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Micro means minus 6 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 whole divided by R square means separation between plus 2 microcoulomb charge and minus 3 microcoulomb charge is 0.4 meter. 0.4 meter whole square. 0.4 meter whole square. After simplify this equation, we will get 337. F1 is equal to 337.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton, and this is attractive in nature. Similarly, the force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge due to minus 5 microcoulomb charge. Therefore, F2 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 6. The separation between minus 3 microcoulomb charge and minus 5 microcoulomb charge is 0.8. R square is 0.8 whole square. Therefore, F2 is equal to, after simplify this equation, we will get 211 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. This is repulsive in nature. Therefore, we have to calculate F net. F net is equal to how much? F net or F resultant. F net is equal to F1 plus F2. F net is equal to F1 plus F2. F net is equal to F1 plus F2. F1 is 337.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 plus 211 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. After adding this equation, this value F net is equal to 548.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. 548.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 Newton. This is the force, net force on minus 3 microcoulomb charge due to plus 2 microcoulomb and also minus 5 microcoulomb charge. Okay. Next question is ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 0.03 meter. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 0.03 meter. The charges of plus 5 nanocoulomb plus 3 nanocoulomb and minus 5 nanocoulomb are placed at corners A, B and C respectively. Find the resultant force. On charge placed at B. Placed at B. Charge placed at B. Okay. ABC of the equilateral triangle of side 0.3 meter. The charges of plus 5 nanocoulomb, plus 3 nanocoulomb and minus 5 nanocoulomb are placed at corners of A, B and C respectively. Therefore, find the resultant force on charge placed at point B. Here, equilateral triangle. All three sides of the triangle are equal. That is, length and also angle is also equal. 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Okay. A, B, and C. A, B, C are the equilateral triangle of side 0.03 meter. Each side of the triangle is 0.03 meter. 0.03 meter. Therefore, the charges are plus 5 nanocoulomb, plus 3 nanocoulomb, and minus 5 nanocoulomb are placed at the corners of A, B, and C respectively. Calculate the resultant force on charge placed at point B. Point B charge is plus 3 nanocoulomb. Point 3 charge is plus 3 nanocoulomb. Therefore, force on plus 3 nanocoulomb charge due to minus 5 nanocoulomb charge and also plus 5 nanocoulomb charge. Okay. Therefore, the force between these two charges is attractive in nature. Force between these two charges is negative and this is positive. Force between these two charges attractive is in this direction. Similarly, this is positive charge and this is also positive repulsive in nature. Repulsive in nature. Repulsive in nature. This is F1 or Fa, and this is FC. FC. Therefore, what is the resultant force? Resultant force. Resultant force. What is the resultant force? Resultant force acting in this direction. This is F net is the resultant force. F net is the resultant force acting in this direction. What is the F net? F net is equal to general formula FA square plus FC square plus 2FA FB cos theta. This is angle 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. What about this angle? Angle between FA and FE is 120 degree. Angle between FA and FC is 120 degree. Therefore, cos 120 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 120 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 120 is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? Cos 120 degree is equal to 1 by 2. And how to calculate the net force acting on the charge? Net force acting on that charge. How to calculate? First, we have to calculate force on plus 3 nanocoulomb charge due to plus 5 nanocoulomb charge is called FA, force FA. Force on plus 3 nanocoulomb charge due to plus 5 nanocoulomb charge, that is FA is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Therefore, FA is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 value is 5 nanocoulomb. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. Nano means minus 9 into plus 3 nanocoulomb. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by separation is 0.03 whole square. 0.03 whole square. Therefore, FA is equal to, after simplifying this equation, FA is equal to 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton. 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton. 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton along BC. Along AB. Okay. Next, similarly, force on plus 3 nanocoulomb due to minus 5 nanocoulomb. Therefore, FB is equal to apply this formula 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q1 Q2 divided by R square. 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 9. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by 0.03 whole square. We will get 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Newton along BC. This is FA and FC, not FB, FC. Okay. Therefore, net force is equal to, use this formula, F net is equal to square root of FA square plus FB square plus 2FA FB cos theta. Therefore, F net is equal to FA is equal to how much? 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5. 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square plus 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square plus 2 into FA FB. FA FB means FA is equal to FA FC FA and FC are same. Therefore, 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square into cos 120 degrees 1 by 2. Cos 120 degrees 1 by 2. 1 by 2, not 1 by 2. Cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. Cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. Okay. Cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2. Therefore, 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Minus 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square plus 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square get cancelled. Remaining term is F net is equal to square root of 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5 whole square. Therefore, this square and root cancelled. F net is equal to 15 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Newton is the answer. Newton is the answer. Okay. Next problem. Next problem. Find the point on the line joining two charges. Find the point on line joining two charges. Find the line joining the two charges plus 12 nanocoulomb and plus 3 nanocoulomb where the resultant field is 0. Resultant field, electric field is 0. Distance between the charge is 1.2 meter. Distance between the charges is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. Okay. Here, find the line joining the two charges plus 2 nanocoulomb and plus 3 nanocoulomb where resultant field is 0. Consider two charges placed at point A and point B. At point A, plus 12 nanocoulomb charge is placed. At point B, plus 3 nanocoulomb charge is placed. At what distance in between these two charges the resultant electric field is 0? We don't know at what point the electric field is 0. I consider the point to O. This is point to O. It is at a distance x from the plus 12 nanocoulomb charge and at a distance x from the plus 12 nanocoulomb charge the resultant electric field is 0. The total separation between the two charges is 1.2 meter. Therefore, whatever the distance between O to B, that is 1.2 minus x meter. 1.2 minus x meter. At point O, the resultant electric field due to plus 12 nanocoulomb charge and also plus 3 nanocoulomb charge is 0. Therefore, at what distance? We have to calculate the value of x is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? Therefore, condition is E1 plus E2 is equal to 0. E1 plus E2 or E1 is equal to E2. Electric field is 0 means E1 is equal to E2. Electric field due to plus 12 nanocoulomb charge and electric field due to plus 3 nanocoulomb charge at point O are equal. Therefore, E1 is equal to E2. Therefore, E1 minus E2 is equal to 0. E1 minus E2 is equal to 0. Net electric field is equal to 0. Therefore, first we have to calculate electric field due to plus 12 nanocoulomb charge at O. That is general formula. E1 is equal to E2. E1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power Q1 divided by R square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into Q2 divided by this is not R square, this is x square and this is 1.2 minus x whole square. General formula E is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square is the formula to calculate electric field. Therefore, E1 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Q1 divided by x square, that is equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9 Q2 divided by 1.2 minus x whole square. Therefore, substitute the value of Q1 and Q2, you will get the answer. 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into 10 to the power of 9 get cancelled on both the sides. Remaining term Q1 is equal to 12 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by x square is equal to Q2 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 9 divided by 1.2 minus x whole square. Here also 10 to the power of minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 9 get cancelled on both sides. Remaining terms are f12 divided by x square is equal to 3 divided by 1.2 minus x whole square. 12 divided by x square is equal to 3 divided by 1.2 minus x whole square. Minus x whole square. How to simplify this equation? Here, cross multiply this equation. Cross multiply 1.2 x 1.2 minus x whole square divided by x square is equal to 3 divided by 12. 3 divided by 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are, that is 1 divided by 4. Therefore, 1.2 minus x whole square divided by x square is equal to 1 divided by 4. Take root on both sides. How to remove this square? Square goes to right hand side, it becomes a root. Therefore, 1.2 take root on both sides. 1.2 minus x whole square and root cancelled divided by x, that is equal to square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Therefore, 1.2 minus x into 2 is equal to x. 1.2 into 2 is 2.4. 2.4 minus 2x is equal to x. This 2x goes to right hand side, it becomes positive. 2.4 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 2.4 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 0.8 are. Therefore, x is equal to 0.8 meter from plus 12 nanocoulomb. Electric field at point O is 0. It is at a distance. X is equal to how much? 0.8 meter from plus 12 nanocoulomb charge. Okay. This is about some simple and important problems regarding the electric charges and fields. Okay. In the next class, we discuss electrostatic potential and capacitor. Okay. Thank you, students.